So, funny enough, today I wanted to film a video about Mojo again, and I was looking at my old video about Mojo, which has been filmed a couple of months ago. So yeah, wanted to update you guys with this amazing app called Mojo, and I just realized that I'm wearing this shirt, but I am wearing the same shirt in the video. So that's great. So I think this is going to be the Mojo shirt. Today, having the same shirt, 4 months later, wearing the same shirt, we talk about Mojo again. You're probably like, is this a coincidence? I don't think so. Anyways, hi, what's up guys? My name is Justine Lamer. I am a brand designer, but here on YouTube, I love to talk about everything graphic design, but also really cool apps that I found on the App Store. And so today we are going to make an updated video about the Mojo app. This is a really cool video to animate your photos or other videos and add some really cool title with some effects and all for your Instagram stories. So if you wanted to watch the first part of this video, this is the video that I made here like a couple of months ago, as I said, with the same shirt. So if you wanted to watch this video, you're welcome to do so before. Today we are going to focus more on how to make social media cards using the templates into Mojo, and we're also going to look at what Mojo have done for the last 4 months, because they also added some cutout templates and some remove background feature. So we're going to look into this in this video. Let's get started. So to do so, we are going to use my iPad today, but obviously you can do this on your phone. It's just that since my phone doesn't have as much storage as my iPad, I'm using most of those editing tools on this baby. Alright, so let's just record my screen and get right into Mojo. So once again, we are into the choose a template. So I wanted to show you that on this little bubble with an interrogation point, you can actually look at what is new into the app. So we're going to look really quick. So it says that you have the remove background, so you can now remove the background. To try it, simply select an image media and tap on the remove background option. So we are totally going to check that out. Then we have a new templates, cutout portraits, definitely going to check that out, and object cutouts, new templates as well. So we're going to look into those, but we also going to make, and this is the first thing we're going to do, which is make a social media card. So for those who don't know, and why should you have a social media card, you don't have to. I do think though that they are very handy when you want to add a little 5 seconds video showing up your social media handle, website or whatever after your TikTok or Instagram Reels. So I do so for mine, but not just for TikTok and Instagram Reels. I also use social media cards on Pinterest. So what I do is that for ID pins or even pins, video pins that I add on my Pinterest profile, I share my social media card with all my social media handles so people can check them out. Here I am into the social media cards templates. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of templates that you can use. So it's up to you to choose the one that is more appropriate to your business or your personal brand. So all right, let's choose one. We're going to edit it, and then we're going to try to make one from scratch. I don't want to use this one, maybe some. As you can see, and that's a disclaimer, I am using Mojo Pro. So see, if you don't have Mojo Pro, you cannot use any of those other social media cards. You can only use the free one, which is this one, because the other one says Pro. So I guess the only one with free is this one. So you know what, just because I'm sure there's a lot of people that are using the free version of Mojo, we're going to use the free one and edit this one. Alright, so you only have to click on the template and all of the animation is coming. If you click on the little brush here and you look at duration, you will see that your media card is not super long. It's like 3.2 seconds, because as I said, not with TikTok anymore, but like with Instagram Reels, we are pretty limited, and sometimes you cannot go further than 30 seconds. I also love to make my Reels no more than 15 seconds, so I don't don't want my media card to be, my social media card to be very long. So 3.2 seconds is actually good. Okay, so here on our social media card, you can see that we have a profile picture, follow me, and then the name, like follow me on TikTok, and the name obviously of the account you want to show off. You click on the brush again, you can see a background. So here you have some Mojo already videos blogs they have, so you can use one of them if they are free, or you can just download your own if you can with the free version. Once again, I have been having Mojo Pro for years, guys, so I don't know what's free and what is not, but if you're using Mojo Pro or if it's free, you can add your own videos from your library, and this is what I love to do. Also, stock videos from Mojo, so you can use some of their videos. Okay, I wanted to show you also if you wanted, if you don't have access to the stock video on Mojo, you can go into pexel.com or on the app Pexel. I do have the app, so you can go on Pexel and you can look for whatever video you want. This is totally free. So let me do flower over there. Go into video, and let's say I want this because I really like it. Download. I'm gonna go directly into my library, and then I go back into Mojo, background, and I take my video, and here I have my video on the back. So this is a way to change the background. So then just click on the profile picture and do media, and so add your own profile picture. I'm gonna use a random one of my drawing. Just like that, you also change the profile picture. So I recommend adding the profile picture that you already have into all of your social media, like the same picture that you have into a TikTok profile or your Instagram profile. If you double click on the text, you'll be able to change it. So this is definitely what we're going to do. So we're going to do follow Justine Lamer, whatever. You can obviously also change the font. You are not limited unless you are using this for free. Alright, so as you can see on the social media card that I created, I just changed the font and did follow Justine Lamer. Follow, you basically write whatever you want on your social media card, and then you can also change the text here. So if you want, let's say you are doing an Instagram reel and not a TikTok, so you want to change that, so you click on it, double click again, change with Instagram. So it's pretty easy. Then you click on this one as well, and you're going to go into style in the bottom left, and you're going to do Instagram instead. So yeah, I don't know if it was this one, but you can choose whatever. If you want to change the style, again, you click on it, go into style, bottom left, and then maybe you even want to choose this one. And you can change the color, you can change the size, make it smaller, changing the font also, it's up to you, whatever you like. And here you make your social media card. Then you save it, and you save it into your library, and now you can add it to your TikTok or Instagram reel at the end of your video. Now, let's say you don't like any of those templates already made and you would love to create your own thing, then just go into your Mojo and do create from scratch. We're going to use story because this is the format of an Instagram reel, a TikTok, and then you're going to add an image. So add your video. So I'm going to add the same video. I'm going to do done. From here, this is where you're going to add stuff to your background. Then if you click into the plus here, you go into graphic. You will be able to choose one of those media over here. So as I can tell, the round one is not free. I'm going to use one that is free. So this one sounds like it's free. And from here, you choose your photo, and you can place it wherever you want on your template. So I'm going to put it over here. Now I can add some text, so I can into plus text, and I'm going to use one that is free. So I guess those two are free. The wrap is free, and we're gonna put on the top, and I'm going to change the font. I'm just trying stuff out, right? And then I'm going to add my social. I'm going to add my Instagram. This is not even the right Instagram because my Instagram is designed by Justine Lamer. Okay, and you created your own social card. I didn't put a lot of things, but if you go into graphic, you can add any kind of stickers. If you find one that is free, if you add Mojo Pro, you can add a lot of stickers. You also can add some GIFs, so I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, well, this is not the best social media template I've ever made, but alright, I hope that was helpful for you if you were looking for making a social media card for your Instagram Reels and TikToks. Now let's see those updates. Let's see what we can do with those new updates. So apparently object cutouts are all pro. So if you have the free version, I do not think you can use that, but for my people over there that have the pro version, let's try this one, for example. This is bullish, this cover. Okay, that's a cool template. I'm gonna do plus, and I'm gonna do into stock photo, and I'm going to look for maybe candles. This one, okay. Is he ooh, look at this. He removed the background. Oh boy, and I can resize it, and bam. Man, that was good. Let's try another one, shall we? Show background, remove back. Wow. Wow. Okay, replace. We're gonna try something else. Let's try my drawing. Wow. You guys, look at this. I'm speechless. This is the first time I'm using it. Let's try this one. Introducing a new dish. Okay. Let's use another of my drawing. Oh, he forgot one part of it, but man, he did pretty good. Okay, let's see if he does it on this picture. Yeah, he got the candle. What the heck? Awesome. You have really cool templates that you can use and do this if you have any like kind of products that you want to show off, like here. Let's see the cutout portrait. I like this, so let's hello there. Okay, so we need to find a picture of me. Okay, here is a picture of me, so let's try it. Ooh, boom, nice. Hello there. And oh yeah, ooh, hello there. Oh my gosh, that is awesome, you guys. Look at what you can do right into the Mojo app. That is awesome, you guys. I am so excited about this new update. They did a very good job. I am impressed. Anyways, you guys, I hope you liked today's video. I really wanted to show you how to make those social media cards and talk about those new updates that are really awesome. So thank you, Mojo app, to making this happen and make it easy for us to create awesome Instagram stories. I will see you into the next video next Sunday. Until next time, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you learned something today, and I will see you soon.